Hello, happy to see you. I am Steven and welcome to a new video on ImagR. Today we will explain the first button on the main site, the upload button. First, let us move to imag-r.com. ImagR offers you the opportunity to upload the following file formats: JPG, BMP, and PNG. There's no possibility or need to upload a vector file, since images should always be engraved as raster. Since people asked if there's any difference between JPG and JPEG, let me clarify. No. Windows didn't allow 4-character file extensions back then. This was only possible after the 2000s. So it doesn't matter if you upload the file as JPG or JPEG, since they are completely identical. Basically, that's all I have to say about the upload button. I hope to see you in the next video, where we will explain the crop function. Thank you for watching and have a good time.